This is water leakage detection system, which is going to sense if there is any leakage of water in the pit of elevator or on the car top of the elevator or in the elevator room due to rain or any other reason. So this has got three zones. One is for the pit, one is for the car top, and one is for the lift room. And this works on 24 volts power supply. So these are the three input connection zones. A plus A minus is for the pit, B plus B minus is for the car, and C plus C minus is for the room. And it has got one output which can be connected to the lift panel. In case of fault, this is going to close in case of a fault in any of the line. And there is one built-in siren, as well as there is a provision to have an external siren. Again, these are potential free contacts. The system works from 12 volts to 24 volts. Any voltage is sufficient for this. We have got different type of sensors for operating this, and here you can see the connection. This is for the zone 1, this is for the zone 2, and this is for the zone 3. And this is the power supply. Power supply is coming from an SMPS, and then this is one sensor which is going to be on top of the car. And if there is any splash of water falling on this, that is sufficient to trigger the system, and it is going to inform. The same thing even for the lift room. If it is going to be a water flooding or anything on the lift room, inside the lift room, it is going to indicate. And here we have one sensor for the lift pit. These are the two sensors mounted on a pipe, and if there is a water which is going to short between this and this, it is going to trigger a signal. So now we will switch on the system. So all the lights are going to come once to indicate that all are healthy. This is a power on indication. And then now we will test the pit sensor. This is a pit sensor, and here we have a water. And if as soon as the two probes, the stainless steel probes, come in contact with the water, we see that there is an indication which says there is a leakage of water. And there will be a continuous buzzer, and it can be muted. And even after it is muted, if the fault is not cleared, it is going to be continuously showing the indication. And if we clear the fault, then we automatically, the indication also goes away. So same thing when it comes to the, I'll show you with the car top sensor. So if there is even a small splash of water falling on the sensor, we see that there is an indication coming. This is for the room. And same thing for the car top also. You can see that indication is coming. And once it is cleared, whatever is a cause for that, once we acknowledge that it has happened, it is going to go. Now you can see that it is still continuing because there is still a water splash here. And then once this is cleared, it is going to go automatically. Apart from that, for all the sensors, there is a wire cut protection. Means if there is any faulty cable, and if the cable gets cut, which runs from the equipment to the sensor or from equipment to the pit, the equipment may be kept in the lift room. So from here to the lift pit or to the car top, if any cable gets cut, say for example, now I am going to cut the cable of the pit sensor. Means I will just remove this wire. So you see that the indication comes which says that there is a fault in the cable. So wherever the cable is going, which is coming till sensor, even this is protected. So if there is any fault in the cable also, it is going to indicate. And once this fault is rectified, it is automatically going to get back to normal. And when the buzzer is coming, this switch will be closed, and once the acknowledgement is done, the external siren also is going to get muted. Whereas the fault continues as long as a fault occurs, and once fault is cleared, this is also going to get cleared. Thank you.